ourselves. My name is Rahma Fitri Alfianti. I from Grade 12, Online Business and Marketing 1.
My name is Nelly Purwanti. I from Grade 12, Online Business and Marketing 1.
My name is Anisatul Awalia. I from Grade 12, Online Business and Marketing 1.
Preface. Praise the presence of Allah Subhanahu wa Ta'ala, who has bestowed His mercy and His gifts on you in completing this report. As a form of our responsibility, after participating in the industrial work practice for the 2019 to 2020 school year, we write this report based on what we have done during street vendors at PT Asaputek Jaya, which is located Gajah Mada Street number 74 to 75 Tegal. In preparing this report, we ask the author apologize if there are deficiencies in both the writing and the content of the report. Because of our imperfection as students and our limited experience. Even so, we are still doing to our best this like report properly. We would like to thank those who have helped us to complete this report. Among them two, 1. Sir Dr. Sparman MPD, Haste UPTD Vocational High School 1 Dukuturi. 2. Sir Muhammad Prasetyo and Sir Eko Tanoyo, as the mentor at the Street Vendors Industrial Work Practice. 3. Mrs. Agustina Rahmawati SPD, as the Head of Vocational Online Business and Marketing. 4. Mrs. Fitria Slamet Rahayu SPD, as our supervisor from the school. 5. Parents, friends as well as parties have helped us during industrial work practice. Chapter 1. Introduction. A. The background of field practice. Vocational High School 1 Dukuturi is a vocational education institution that has a duty to be able to produce students who are skilled in the field of business mystery and management in the field of work, resilient, highly decided, and able to interact in the world of work. In achieving these lofty goals, each of our students must master a variety of basic skills and must have a broad insight into business skill and management. In order to achieve this goal, it is one way to direct students directly into the vocational High School 1 Dukuturi real world of work. Pre-tech field work is carried out to increase the skill and knowledge of students in each pre-tech and apply the theories that I have found on object directly. With the present pre-tech field work is very good and useful. Every student of get a real picture in exploring the world of work and applying it that has been obtained by the academy on the work that I am involved in, so that if I jump into the world of work, I have no difficulty in adjusting to the work environment. B. The goals and benefits of industrial work practice. The objective of industrial work practice are as follows. 1. It is expected to add valuable insight and knowledge and gain input and feedback to improve and develop the suitability of education and reality in the field. 2. Knowing directly the application of the theory that has been obtained from the school. 3. Improving cooperation between agencies and school. 4. Gain insight into the world of work that has been obtained in the field. Better understand non-academic concepts in the world of work. 5. To train students' ability to cooperate and communicate with employees at agency companies. 6. Produce a qualified workforce that is able to compete mentally and have a noble morality. The benefits of industrial work practice are as follows. 1. Can enhance cooperation between academic educational institutions. 2. Achieving the goal of field work. 3. Improve discipline, honesty, responsibility, intensity, and diligence in working. 4. Gain knowledge of the real world of work, so it is not awkward to enter the world of work later. 5. Can add more insight and experience. 6. Gain new experience that have never been gained from school. C. Time and place of industrial work practice. The time of implementation of industrial work practice starts from 24 February to 14 March 2020. The time given is enough for us to learn and get to know the world of work. I am at my place at PT Asaputek Jaya located on Gajah Mada Street, number 74 to 76, Tegal Kraton, Subdistrict, Tegal Barat, Subdistrict, Tegal City.
Chapter 2. Overview. A. Company History. PT Asaputek Jaya was established in 1986 by Mr. Jamaluddin, who is engaged in the business of trading wool cloths, print palm trees with various types, of the density that have export quality, which has all been registered in the Directorate General of Intellectual Property Right and received the code of working Maclon to make wolf gloves for garment. But this did not last long, because in 1987 in Indonesia there was an economic recession. Starting in 1987, Mr. Jamaluddin became a weaving sarong kerajinan instructor by a German consultant named Asaputek Weaving until the economic recession in 1990. In 1990, Asaputek Weaving was left by its original owner, the German consultant, so that after being left by the owner, Mr. Jamaluddin took care of the latter to make Asaputek Weaving into PT Asaputek Jaya. The first step to advancing the company was to exhibit weaving holster in and out of the country with the aim of introducing to the public. In 1991, PT Asaputek managed to penetrate the export market for weaving holster product until running for 3 years. After 3 years, the price of weaving gloves began to decrease because exported from Jakarta and Surabaya supplies very low price. So Mr. Jamaluddin sought his own customer in the Middle East and Africa. In the Middle East and Africa, scarf weaving is in high demand, so it expanded to ASEAN share of sarung sales. PT Asaputek Jaya occupies an official in Gajah Mada Street, number 74 until 76 Tegal, and has 1,200 employees by partnering Osmanias. 108 weavers spread across Tegal, Pemalang, Pekalongan, and Bandung, absorbing a total workforce of up to 1,900 craftsmen. B. Corporate activities. 1. Pure sarung packing process. The process of packing the pure holster that has come for Maclon. Then through the following stage: A. Sort. B. Sewn. C. Wash. D. Fold. A. Iron. F. Stamp. G. Combination. A. Press. I. Put in the back and outer. 2. Palekat sarung packing process. The process of packing the palekat sarung that has come from Maclon, then through the next stage: A. Sort. B. Fold. C. Combination. D. Iron. A. Stamp. F. On the press. G. Bake. 3. The process of packing the printing cover. The process of packing the printing holster that has come from Bandung. The going through the following stage: A. Cut. B. Sewn. C. Fold. D. Combination. And A. Stamp.
Chapter 3: Implementation of Activity. A. Activity carried out during industrial work practice. 1. Duplex section. The students in that section have the task of folding the duplex that is still in the shape of a set until it becomes a container to complete with the provisions. Every day, students who work duplex with a target of at least 10 scores, so as not to forget how many scores that have been made is usually written in a piece of paper that will be quoted on the head of duplex section every time packaging runs out. Chapter 4: Conclusion and Recommendation. A. Conclusion. During the activity of industrial work practice at PT Asaputek Jaya, the author took some conclusion that after carrying out the activity of industrial work practice, the author gained a lot of knowledge that had never been studied in school. In addition, the author can also understand non-academic and non-technical concepts in the world of the work, as well as being able to find out how experience work in industry that readers have never previously done. B. Recommendation. 1. The monitoring acquaintance teacher towards students is further improved. 2. in the supply of physical and mental materials to be improved, and teachers always provide motivation, guidance, and learning to students who are in the industrial work practice. 3. To improve the discipline towards employees when carrying out work. 2. Folding section. In next section, the school girl helps to close the scrap that has been swept and sorted. The school girl scrap neatly and in accordance with applicable requirements. Each type of scrap has a different claim size. Once the holster has been folded, stacked in half square on the court table. Then one of the employees will take the bill of sarong and record a folding result obtained. 3. The STEM section. In that section, students are given the task of helping employees to etch a sarong with a bridge tag or pass a sticker according to the type of hostel gift. Once finished, students also have ordered employees to pack the sarong into pop and pack it again into a duplex ready to us.
Thanks for watching.